Welcome back to Graceful Embroidery. Today we're going to look at a use for Day 7's freebie. Today we're going to look at the 7th daily freebie, and I'm loading it here, and you'll see it's quite a simple design, and I'm going to do something reasonably simple with it, but I'm going to swivel it round at the angle, and I'm going to use the Encore feature in my Sewnet embroidery. And when you choose 8, this is what you get. Now you don't want to choose that little marker at the side because it makes it into an oval. Instead, you need to go within the circle and pull down until you get a nice circle. But as you can see, I've slightly taken it out of alignment and it's not quite a circle. Now that looks pretty. Let's apply it. And then when we've done that, you can see we've got loads of colours. So we go up to the Home tab and we need to combine all those little designs. Combine all needs to be selected, and then we can colour sort and reduce it from loads of colours down to 7. Just a little simple use, and Encore embroideries are just so beautiful to do. Perfect for so many different things. So I hope you found that useful, and I'm going to send that straight to my machine and stitch it out so that I can show you the results.